What's up, guys? It's your girl Janelle B, and I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. I'm back with another video. Oh, 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 oh. What's up, guys? It's your girl Janelle B, and as you know, we are here today to try and put up a desk. I don't know how to put up a desk. I'm looking at it. Looks kind of easy, but we'll see. If you are new to my channel, I go by Janelle B, and you can follow my Instagram at jstarlight. Also follow me on TikTok at jstarlight7. Now let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I tried to drag this big old box through my hallway. Now this shit was so heavy. Then you see my ass trying to cut the corner. Like, I had to push and pull this heavy old box. Like, ooh, your girl was tired at this point. Then I tried to grab the camera and drag it with one hand like I'm Superwoman. But ooh, got the box there, and at this point I was tired. Okay guys, right now I am legit sitting on the box, like sitting on it, because who told me to do this without Kurtney? Me, because I don't want to wait. He said he wants to put it up later on, and I'm not waiting. For those who do not know, we are trying to decorate our home, so you know, do a little spring cleaning and brighten up the place. So we're trying to do that, and he's trying to prolong the thing. Like, I'm not having it. So I'm gonna try, and if I try and I fail, that means it's gonna be all over the place, and he's gonna have to put it up. You gotta think, you know.
Baby, you smart. You very smart.
You gotta think. But anyways, you guys could watch me struggle putting this thing up, because we already know. Oh nana, what's my name? It's Janelle B. Come struggle with me. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Uh-oh. Guys, this looks like a lie. How am I gonna do this? This looks like a lot. Like, it looks like a lot. Okay, first things first. I got this from Canadian Tire. Okay, this is the Holy Grail book, literally. Oh, yeah, no, I don't think I could do this. Okay, I'm gonna put everything back. I lied. Okay, you guys know I wasn't really putting this desk up. Like, did you see all those pieces? So it was like the next day, or it was the same night, and Kurtney actually put up the desk the same night that I tried to put it up by myself, and I'm so thankful that he was there. So this is the next day, and now I'm gonna show you everything else. I'm gonna give you a little tour of what the house looks like right now in its current state. Lord Jesus, I don't even know if I should do this, because right now the house is upside down. Here we have our beautiful sectional that I love. There's my desk Kurtney just put up. It's so cute. It has these knobs, and the drawers are so big. Don't ask me why I have a kitchen cloth in here. But anyways, this is what it looks like. Then dun dun dun, the dining room area is like a lot of work that I gotta do right now. This area, I could do this. I could knock this out. But that area, let's go over here. So let me just show you what it looks like. All right, it's time to go beast mode, play some music, and start cleaning up. Okay, so you know, your girl had to grab a garbage bag to get started. Meanwhile, Kurtney's brother Javon was unpacking his groceries, so it was making it a little bit harder, you know, but it's all right. It's okay. Your girl was still getting shit done. All right, so now I took out everything that I thought was junk was going in that garbage bag. Like, I was not playing any games. I had to get under the table. I had to open up the curtains so that I could get some light, sweep the floor. I wiped down that table. Oh Lord Jesus, you would have thought I was a Molly maid up in this, but you know the deal. If you're not gonna do it, who else is gonna do it, boo? at the rate that you want to go. Gotta do it when you want to do it. All right. Oh. Okay, so at this point right now, I'm just trying to rearrange my sectional couch, and like it wasn't as hard as I thought. So once I moved it, I decided to sweep under the couch because it's been a while, and now I'm just going over everything and rearranging everything, and that's basically what I'm doing in the following clips. Okay, now I'm just switching the camera around just so you could get a different view of the part that I am cleaning. Okay, all that dancing, I had to still sweep under the desk and in that area, and now I'm just cleaning up the desk part, putting stuff in the drawers where I want them to belong, putting on my favorite candle because it smells so good, and how refreshing does it feel to actually finally declutter and clean your house. So now I'm done. I actually did it, guys. Hey guys, so as you just saw, cleaning up and decluttering, trying to get ready for my designer to come. Whew. Guys, I am tired. I moved everything by myself. You guys saw it. You saw it. Courtney, I hope you saw that too. Now I'm really tired, but this is what it looks like. Let me remove the ring light out the way just so you guys could get an idea. So remember back in the day where my couches were? Yeah, it's back to how it was. So if I turn the camera, boom. This is how our original setup was until we switched the couch this way. So going like the long part was there, you get it? But not, the TV was over there, now it's over here. Yeah, so this is how it is looking. See? Courtney will clean up all of that. Tired. And this is it. This is my new addition, my desk. Courtney worked so hard. He waited, he stayed up all night doing it, I think until like 4 o'clock. So I'm really proud of him. But this is it, guys. This is the house in transition. What's up, guys? It is day 7 of redecorating, decluttering, and cleaning. Okay, guys, I woke up real early for this, and you know how the house looked like yesterday? Yeah, doesn't look the same now, guys. It's in transition. So I have my designer here, and like everything is just looking a hot mess right now. Hey, Asha. Hello. I'll drop all her links down below, but this is what it's looking like. We have a whole bunch of stuff. And there I am, outfit of the day, t-shirt and jeans. But yeah, okay guys, let's get started. Okay, so the moment you guys have been waiting for, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna show you and give you guys my living room tour, and I hope you guys like it. Okay, let's go. So I am at my doorway right now, and as you can see, it's the regular colored door, but if you see right here, we have little coat racks so that when my guests come in, they can put their coats there. And then on my left hand side, we got our keys. Just I'm here, I'm home alone. And then we got mail right here. And then we're just gonna go over more, and I'm gonna come out of the camera so you guys can actually see. So let me show you this. So right here, oh, we got our shoes there. But right here, we got some storage space. And also people can sit down on it like so. You know? Okay, let me stop being a fool. And then we have our glass. There we go. And it has like flowers and roping on it. And it's just so pretty. Also, I did not show you, but here we go. We got a full mirror in the front. The moment you have been waiting for. Oh, bam. Yes, guys. Okay, so let's take this journey. So this is our regular entertainment center, TV, entertainment center, everything. And then from here, this is the view. And you got our regular couches that we always have, but we added some pillows. Super cute, white. This is a pillow that we always have, so I gotta keep it in there. And this is what it's looking like. Super cute. My favorite part of this living room is this picture. Oh my gosh. You cannot tell me nothing. You can't tell me that I'm not in a beach home. The boardwalk is not right there. You can't tell me that, okay? You can't. You literally can't. Anyways, here we got my crusty toes on the carpet. And then here we have my center table. And then it still ties around with the theme. Got my glass center table, which is really nice. And if you look, you can see flamingos on the candles. So these are my lamps. Look at this. It literally ties into everything. This is the lovely desk that I have, and I love this desk. Oh my gosh. Look at the legs. It still ties into the theme, guys. Anyways, so this is my computer. This is where all the magic happens. All the work goes down in here. Then here in this corner, I have somewhere to put my ring lights, you know. It's big in the way, so I gotta push it to the side. But here's my mini bar that I have. It will grow one day, but I'm not an alcoholic anymore, so it's gonna stay like this for a while until, you know, outside is open again. Boom, my living room in one picture. Take a screenshot for your inspo. Oh, I also got new curtains. They're blue. I don't know if you can see or can tell, but look, see? They're blue. Oh, that's basically it. This is my living room tour, and I'm super excited to show it to you guys because what it was before, this is it, guys. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys got some inspo off of it. The beach vibes, you know, the waves go and you feel nice when you walk in your door, like, my safe haven. Yeah, that's how you should feel. But yeah, this is it. First of all, I'd like to give a huge shout out to my girl Asha. She's a friend of ours, and let me tell you, she hooked us up. She did this. This was all in her mind, not mine. I didn't come up with nothing. She said this will look good, and I said yeah, sure. I really put all of my trust and faith into her, and so did Kurtney, and I'm very glad that we did it. I will drop her Instagram down below and you can contact her. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Sorry Kurtney's not here to tell you guys about it because he's at work working hard, so I just decided let's just get this done and over with so we can show you guys, you know. So thank you. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at JStarlight, and also on TikTok at JStarlight7. You know, support the family. You are here. Subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that anytime that we post, you'll get it first. And with that being said, bye!